Coach Abdeslam Mawadu, I blame you for the draw against the Kaizer Chiefs. And on top of that, a draw against the Kaizer Chiefs for Orlando Pirates is a loss. The Pirates draw against the Chiefs. But the reason it's in blame Mawadu became on a bench. Bekangana ma-substitute namhlanje izinto mazishubile ufaka bani ukhipha bani wenzani kanjani ma-substitute ozuna police ufaka bani ma-substitute uMakhehleni Makaula ufaka bani uNemtsajela is not the kind of player that can bring iglory to Orlando Pirates sonke siyazi akusumuntu okwazi ukuchange igame akusumuntu okwazi ukuthi akhave ispace adominate midfield unelokuphuma uMakhehleni Makaula iChiefs abhoboza imidfield yethu and then bonile lela goal la kaDuba maliphuma kubani uMasindi Nemtsajela uzama ukushaya ama-slide ama-check-in le ugeja abantu Orlando Pirates didn't have substitutes bekungena umuntu ongangena ngachange igame namhlanje. Where was Mbule for this game? Where was Kabelo Dlamini for this game? It's not that Pirates doesn't have players. It has the players. Maro coach Abdeslam Mawadu akafuna ukwasebenzisa. Ubeka bo Cameron Tenzini benchini. If uTenzini bekangenile bekazongena yenzeni Chiefs. Bekazongena yenzeni uTenzini Chiefs. Coach Abdeslam Mawadu, I blame you for this loss because a draw against Kaizer Chiefs is a loss. Pull up your socks. I-league sekusele kanje ukuthi ihambe. Sekusele kanje ukuthi ihambe ileague and ileague hamba nayo nawe hamba uyofuna umunye umsebenzi kwenye indawo because if Orlando Pirates doesn't win the league this season asikhohlwe ni league bafethu.